Everybody loves finger food. These cheesy canapes have a crispy pastry crust and a mix of apple pickles and onion pickles, in keeping with the theme of this episode, all about pickling. Start by preheating the oven to 350. You can use pre-baked shells, which saves a bunch of time, but if you're feeling adventurous, you can make these with pastry. If you need a crust recipe, see our peach pie recipe, or keep watching for the bread pudding pie recipe. You just need 21 little crusts about 3 inches in diameter. And now I can focus on the custard. Let's start it by making the pickles. This is very easy. Just soak half of the apples and all of the onions in salt and vinegar for 12 hours. Those are your pickles. After that, beat the egg and the milk together. Add some melted brie. This has been chopped and then mic'd for 90 seconds. Mix all of the ingredients together in a bowl with a bit of nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Pour in a bit of pudding mixture into each cup. I have 7 eaters today, so there are 21 cups to fill, 3 each. Then pop those in the oven for 20 minutes until the custard sets. When they're ready, they should be firm and the crust should be crisp and warm. I'll just put those on a nice plate for serving. Boy, are they creamy. You can serve these up at any party, I think.